Hi guys, today I will tell you about anion gap. Anion gap has a very significant importance in the diagnosis of the metabolic acidosis causes. In this video I will tell you the normal physiology of anion gap and how to calculate it. As you know, our body is electrically neutral and we have charges. Our body consists of cation having positive charge and anion having negative charge. In our plasma, cation included magnesium, calcium, potassium and sodium, and the sum of all these cations is equal to 153. It means human plasma have 153 cations. On the other hand, anion included organic acid, protein, sulfur, hydrogen phosphate, bicarb and chloride, and the sum of all these anion is 153. Here you can see our body have 153 cation and 153 anion. It means our body have the equal amount of positive charge and negative charge. Therefore, our body always remain electrically neutral. In cations, we cannot measure the magnesium, calcium and potassium on routine basis. That's why they are categorized unmeasured cation, and the sum of all these cations is 11. On the other hand, organic acid, protein, sulfur and hydrogen phosphate are also not measured on routine basis. That's why these are called unmeasured anion. So we have 11 unmeasured cation and 23 unmeasured anion. We can see the differences. The difference between the unmeasured anion and unmeasured cation is called anion gap. The difference is 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. So anion gap is 12 between the unmeasured anion and cation. But question is that we cannot measure these electrolytes on daily basis. So how we will identify this anion gap? This anion gap can be measured from sodium, bicarb and chloride, because these electrolytes are measured on routine basis. To calculate the anion gap, we subtract the chloride and bicarb from the sodium, and the answer is 13. Here the scientists suggest a range for the normal anion gap, that is 12 plus minus 4. It means normal anion gap is between 8 to 16. And the formula for anion gap is sodium minus chloride plus bicarb. In a summary, you can see human plasma have equal amount of cation and anion, and we cannot measure all these cation and anion on daily basis, although we measured some cation on frequent basis, that are sodium, chloride and bicarb. So the difference between the cation and anion is called anion gap, and if the patient anion gap remain between 8 to 16, it means our body have the equal amount of anions and cations. So we can say that the anion gap is normal. In my next video, I will tell you how the anion gap is used to diagnose the causes of metabolic acidosis and how we do the intervention. See you later. Allah Hafiz.